Meaning of Humint.
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 Humint. Humint stands for Human Intelligence, which refers to the gathering and analysis of information through interpersonal contact, covert operations, and other means involving human sources. This can include espionage, interrogations, interviews, and other methods of extracting information from individuals. By utilizing Humint, agencies such as intelligence services and law enforcement are able to gain insights into potential security threats, criminal activities, and other issues of national or international significance. Humint is often a key component in the larger intelligence gathering efforts of governments and organizations around the world.